Hanggat walang milit, whistle. Alright. Decision is final. Decision is a final. This is for fun. So, wala tayong makukuha ang bahay at saka lupa nito. Tawag na, papawis lang. Wala. Yes. Yep. Reklamo ba?
Oo, titeknik ka na nga na yan si Bong.
Reklamo ba? Ay, extend ang bago na yan.
Lagi, may namin announcer. Gipakuan mo nila ang riba.
Ay, white dito, white. White dito, white dito, white. Baliktad.
Start of the second game. Team 3 versus Team 2. Jimex. Tumira po. Tumira ng 3. Tapos. Intercept to be number 0. Pinasa. Amado tumira ball. Amado naghahanap. Amado for the drive. Pinasa kay number. And foul. Who's foul?
Foul ka.
Foul, Jimex, number 19.
Pressure on!
Personal foul, first team foul. Team 2. First foul.
No man, this is for fun. If you complain again, I don't wanna play again. I don't wanna hear that.
Second throw, no good. Rebound, Jimex. Dino dribbling the ball. Dino. Jimex for 3. No good. Amado dribbling the ball. Amado dribbling the ball. Pushes drive and foul. Number 14. First team foul, first personal foul, second team foul, team 2. Goes for a follow-up. 2 points. Number 5.
Nice.
Don't go inside.
Number 0 dribbling the ball. Pass to Dino. Dino for the drive and no good. Amado for the rebound. Guzman. White ball. Out. Marvin. No.
You drink water? Huh?
Okay. After the low post drive and 1. Foul Mado. Number 8. First personal foul. First team foul, team black. Number 5 for the rebound. Number 5, Mamadali. Number 5. Pass to Amado. Amado for the reset. Amado for the drive and out of bounds. Same ball. Pasa dia. 5 for 3. No good. Out of bounds. Pasa dia. Marvin in the ball. Marvin up. Intercepted with number 13. Up. 2 points. Number 13. What a nice pass to number 13. Number 0. Dribbling the ball. Number 0. Pass to Dino. Dino for 3. Hindi tumama. Number 5. Dribbling the ball. Number 5. Number 5 for layup. And 2 points. Number 5.
MVP!
Number 0 dribbling the ball. Hanap ng pasahan. Ada nakita. Good dribble. Pinasa kay Marvin. Marvin, number 1, and si Pao. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. White ball. Time remaining 7 minutes 55 seconds. Number 19 for a tune up. Oh, no good. Rebound number 5. Number 5 dribble guarded by number 19 and for the drive. Oh, binalik tadi ay. Pinasa kay Marvin. Marvin, penetrate, layup. Oh, Minduta pagkahimo kay. Murag drawing. Number 14, 2 points. Number 25 dribbling the ball. 25, Illy. Oh, 20 thread.
Block, 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 block. Block, block.
Stay. Black ball. It was a block. Block number 14.
Block, block.
Block. Oh, and a steal with number 0. 0, and over it. Oh, muntik nang. Hindi pa. 0, 2 points. 25 with the ball. 25, just over. 25 for a tune up. And 2 points, number 25. Ang gandang teardrop na number 25. Pass to number 0 for 3. Nothing. Remaining time, 6 minutes, 31 seconds. Score, 6-9 in favor of Team Black. Tumira ng 3, number 25. Wala. Marvin nagdadala ng bola. Marvin dribbling the ball. Marvin naghihanap ng pasan. Pinasa kay Dino. Pinasa kay number 0 for 2. Oh, hangin kayo. Number 5 dribbling the ball. Number 5 for 3. Oh, pasa di ay. Ang gandang pasa kay number 8. Number 8 for drive. And bring up number 5 again. Number 5 sa ilalim. Oh, no good. Dino got ball. Oh, intercepted by number 23. Steal by number 23. Oh, wait. Number 0, Dino. Marvin, nagmamadaling. Marvin for out. Reverse, sayang. Muntik na pumasok. Number 25 for running shot. Sayang dito. Binasa ka number 25 ulit. Perfect. And 2 points, number 25. Ang gandang pick by number 25. 0 dribbling the ball. 0 blind pass. Oh, blind ang kasama. Substitution, Team White. Out, Dino. Out.
Huli sa camera.
Dera, ang akong star player. Suna.
Yan na.
Ako, number 28. Okay. Time remaining. 5 minutes. 9 seconds. Score 11-6 in favor of Team Black. Team Black, dribbling ball 25 for running shot, 25, rebound by Amado, and a foul. Who's foul? Number 10, Fabricas. First personal foul. 13 foul. White.
Sabi ko sa'yo, dry nga eh. Kahit nasa kahit dami ang mundo doon. Wala. Yung moisture ay nagdadry ka lang.
First row, 1 point by Amado.
Bigla lang manasaka kamay ko. Dati sugat na siya maliit.
Second row, Amado.
Sa
And
kamay ko.
Centrum, complete.
Siguro ayaw.
Pinasa number 0.
Siguro.
0 White, dribbling the ball.
Bawal sa'yo mga kabalalan ng mga sipon.
Pinasa Fabricas number 10. And the low post, 21. Vic and Pangoy for the lead. Pangoy! Kailan! Pangoy! Wow! Pangoy! Idol na namo! Taga Tulho! Pangoy for 2 points. Amado dribbling the ball on the break. Amado dribbling the ball. Naghanap ng kapasahan. Amado! Pinasa ka number 25. Oh! Out number 25. Sayang. Substitution, 21 out. Number 99 in. Who won? White flag, give the ball. Number 0, give the ball.
Time out for dead ball.
Pass off. Wala bola. Power for drive. And foul. Number Number 8, timeout black. Timeout black team. Time remaining 3 minutes 27 seconds. And score is 13-8 in favor of team black.
Paano pagpatay?
Tulong press.
Long press mo lang. Last on mo, ganun din.